Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Usually Unusual. I'm Gitanjali Sharma and how you all are doing? I hope you all are doing great. So today I have come up with few of my body mist deodorants and perfumes. Like I have a few of them right now with me and I thought why not just give you a brief introduction about all of them and just give you an idea how they smell. I know describing fragrance in words is really difficult, but I will try, and they are really on budget between 200 and 300. So those people who are not earning and like students, they don't want to spend so much in these kind of things. So I think that this is really going to be helpful for them. So I think now we should start the video without wasting any time. So first thing like which I have is a body mist. This is from Dressberry Crush. It is like really a nice fragrance, very floral and very girlish fragrance, if I can say that. It's very nice and it smells really great. Like this is the most expensive one between all of them which are lying with me, and this is only for 370. I got this from Myntra and there was a discount over this when I got this. So I am almost finished with the bottle. As you can see, it's only till here. I've been using this from quite some time and yeah, this has become my favorite fragrance these days. And when it comes to like for how long this lingers on you, I think you can like sustain your fragrance for 3-4 hours, not more than that. So you have to give it a touch up. Victoria's Secret vibe it gives to me, and it's really great. You can try it on and it's really great. The variant is Crush. There were other variants as well. I got this one for me. So yeah, give it a shot. I think you are going to love it if you are into floral scents and everything. I love floral scents, fruity scents and very mild fragrances. So that's that. Then I have like one deodorant that was a mist. Now I have this deodorant. This is from Nike, but it's not really expensive, I would say. It's not. It was for 300 and 350, and it, I don't know since how long I have been using Nike deodorants, maybe from my school time, and they are really great, really great. They are long lasting and this is very mild, but you still smell great. So I think you should give it a try. You can get this from like good chemist shop. This was Nike Woman Extreme Long Lasting. It's lovely. You should give it a try and you are going to love this one. So this was deodorant, and then I have one perfume, like spray perfume, and this is from Woman Engage perfume spray, and this smells really good. So I think if you are looking for a perfume, like a very cheap perfume, and you want to smell good and which really lasts long, I bet you like this really lasts long. Even after like 8-9 hours you can still smell this on your clothes and all. So this is really great. I think you should give it a try. This was for 200. Yeah, I think there was no discount. This is also I have got from Myntra, so you can check them out on Myntra. And this is really great if you are into musky scents. This is a bit stronger for me, but I spray it less and it just like it does well for me. I don't know how, because I can't handle strong fragrances, but this somehow works for me and it works really great. I would really suggest you to buy this one. I don't know that what variant is this and all, but it's written W3. Maybe this could be a variant. I was just browsing and I saw this one, and this was just for 200 and it turned out really well. So yeah, I would highly recommend this. You should give it a try and you are going to love this one. I have another body mist, like this is they say body splash. So this is also one of the great body splash or body mist which I have used. This smells really fruity. I told you that I am like all up for floral and fruity scents and all those kind of smells. Like, so this is really great scent if you are looking for a fruity scent which is like on budget and you don't want to spend too much. This retails for 195, and this is also I've got from Myntra. And this is also really, you can get this from any chemist shop or any shop in general, like jahan pe you get these kind of things. So this is really great. I used to use deodorants a lot when I was like in college also. Till college also I used to use deodorants a lot, but then I thought like I should give it a try to body mist. It somehow changed my taste. I just now love body mist, and they're so mild, like they get into your skin, like you feel that that's your fragrance, that's your body's fragrance. Deodorant gets stuck in your head. When it comes to this is 195, and you are getting like product, you are getting a decent amount of product in 195. You can really go a long way with this one, and this is really a nice product. You should give it a try. And then last one is a perfume. This is from Vanessa Envy, and this is really great perfume. This is also really long lasting. This packaging is also really luxurious, and this is really easy to carry. All of them are really easy to carry, but really heavy. These all are plastic bottles, so that makes them travel friendly as well, because you know your glass bottles tend to break during traveling and everything. That was all the perfumes which I had with me, and they are really nice. And give it a try. I think you are going to love it. So please do comment down below how did you like the video, and if you did enjoy watching the video, and if you think that this could be helpful even a bit, so please subscribe my channel and also click that like button if you like the video. And yeah, also press that notification icon, like bell icon, so that you can get notified if I put up a new video. So yeah, that was all. That was my mini perfume thing which comes under budget, and you are going to love all these products. And yeah, so that was all from my side today. And okay, then subscribe to my channel and hit that like button, and also share it with your friends. And yeah, that's it. Bye.